Hey fellow Audi enthusiasts, welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solution. If you're on the hunt for an engine replacement or just curious about why a used Audi engine might be a great option, stick around. Today I'm diving into the top 5 reasons to choose Audi used engines. Let's get started. First off, it's all about being cost-effective. Opting for a used Audi engine can save you a lot of money. Instead of shelling out big bucks for a new engine, why not get a high-quality, reliable one that's been gently used? It's a smart move for any budget-conscious Audi owner. Next, let's talk reliability and performance. Audi engines are well known for their durability and power. With the right maintenance, these used engines can keep your Audi running smoothly and efficiently. It's like getting the proven performance of an Audi without the new engine price tag. Availability is another huge plus. No matter what model you drive, whether it's an A4, A6, Q5 or Q7, finding the perfect used engine is easy. Places like All Auto Parts Group have a vast inventory, making it super simple to find exactly what you need. Now on to the green aspect. Choosing a used engine is a fantastic way to help the planet. It reduces waste and cuts down on the manufacturing demand, which in turn decreases your carbon footprint. It's a win-win, better for the earth and your wallet. Lastly, there's the peace of mind that comes with quality assurance. At All Auto Parts Group, every used Audi engine undergoes rigorous testing and inspection. This ensures that you're getting a top-notch product that's ready to perform. So, why choose All Auto Parts Group for your used Audi engine? Well, they've got a comprehensive inventory, competitive pricing, flexible warranty options, and a team of experts ready to support you. In conclusion, choosing a used Audi engine is a savvy, cost-effective, and eco-friendly decision. With guaranteed quality and expert support, you're making a smart choice for your Audi. Check out All Auto Parts Group website, Aluzed Auto Parts, World, or call the hotline at +1 865 505 0345 and find the perfect engine for your ride today. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for informative videos for your car needs.